Hi everyone, my name is Boris in my channel as usual, and as I told before, today we were at our training point and we trained and I'm a little excited because I'm trained on my friend's motorcycle, pit bike, and finally I have some my skill on this motorcycle a little higher. I have got a little more skills on this motorcycle. I feel more passion, more power on with this motorcycle, and also at the moment it was more quiet, because before all my previous training sessions were with a little pain, with a little scary, and my arms were so hard, and my arms were in uncomfortable position, uncomfortable station, and in that moment today on this training, my arms were quiet, were uh, easy, and it was good feeling. So it was such a good training, and also I planning to go my next trainings on next week. And also we drove our drone today, our DJI. It's a little drone, but it's something unbelievable, because for this moment a level of technology with a drone session, with a drone flying, it's perfect. If we told about some top level drone companies, drone models, and it's one of them, it's DJI. It's a perfect drones, and it's a great company. And also our friend has this drone. It's such a expensive drone, but it's not higher. It's not high price in this family of drones from DJI. So it was such a good and perfect experience, because it's a great view, it's a great understanding with remote control, and also, yes, we have a lot of problems, we have a lot of mistakes, we doing a lot of mistakes with our remote controlling, but program and technologies, all these mistakes are fixed, and you got perfect view, you got perfect picture, and you got really uh, light, really easy controlling. And I want to show you a few moments from our training with drone, and it's our first experience with drones, with this level of quality, with this level of technologies. And so it's really amazing experience. It was for today. Thank you for watching as usual. I love you, my subscribers, my little sunshines, and see you tomorrow. Bye.